Here I am gonna use simple methods to make Rakhi. First I am using pink color strip and I am rotating it to get a circle. So keep rotating. You can do it with or without tools. I am not using tools because I need only circle shapes here. Next I am adding one more strip, yellow color strip. So repeat the procedure, keep rotating. You can choose your own color combinations. Next I'm gonna add blue color strip. Keep rotating. And yeah, that's it. You can add one more strip and make a big circle. Next I have two pink color circles here and I kept a small gap in the middle so that I can insert the thread. So stick them. I'm adding one pearl bead on the top. And the cute piece is ready now. So next I am using woolen thread, yellow color woolen thread. I'm adding pearl beads here. So that's it. Rakhi is ready. Next I have a yellow circle piece here. I used 4 yellow strips to make this big circle. Next I am using pen to make a smiley on it. The cute smiley is ready now. I am using yellow color circles. I used red color woolen thread. So one more Rakhi is ready. Next I am using pink circles here and I am giving some shape. Stick them together so that it looks like a tiny heart now. I am using blue color circles. And I used orange color beads which I had, and I used yellow color thread for this. So one more Rakhi is ready. Next I'm gonna make one small bird. I have 3 red color circles. Stick them as shown. And next I'm using green color small circle piece. And this one I used black and orange color so that it looks like eyes. I'm adding green wings. And I insert thread inside these wings hole. So one more Rakhi is ready. Next I'm using green color. This is very simple. I'm adding just one now, kundan on it. And I used red color woolen thread. So this is ready. Next I have this circle, 3 circle pieces, and I'm just adding some small beads on it. And in order to make it waterproof you have to apply varnish. You can use transparent nail polish if you have.